Okay, good people, in front of us we have May 2023, paper 1, Timezone 1, question number 9. You can pause the video and then try it first before we discuss it together. Okay, as you can see, this is question about calculus. The first question we have to find the area, approximate area using trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule is basically we chunk this figure into several segments. In this case, the height is 10, yeah, it's given. The height is 10. So we chunk it into 4 segments. So when the x is 10 and the height is 3. When the x is 20, the height is 8. The x is 30, we have 9 here. So basically, by trapezoidal rule, you can calculate this individually by approximating this as a trapezium. That's why it's called trapezoidal rule. You can calculate it using trapezium one by one, but it will take time. So we better use a trapezoidal rule formula, which is I don't remember. That's why I have it here. Come on, you can show yourself. There you go. That's the formula that you will find in your booklet. So let's use it into good use, shall we? So the area is equals with half times the height. The height is this one. So if you think this is a trapezium, it's actually triangle. Okay, this one. If you think this is a trapezium, this is side 1, side 2, and then this one will be the height. That's why it's called the h, the height. The height is 10. Half times 10 times brick bracket. We have y0. Y0 is the first height. The first height is here, 0. And then plus yn. Yn is the last height. The last height is here, also 0. Plus 2 times all of this y1, y2, blah 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 until yn minus 1 is basically all the height, not all the height, all the y in the middle, which is in this case 3, 8, 9. So 3 plus 8 plus 9, close bracket. So a is equals with, we know that half times 10 is 5, so we'll just input it to our calculator as 5 times, it saves time. We know 0 plus 0 is 0 because we are smart. So 5 times 2 times 3 plus 8 plus 9. Close bracket, enter. We have 200. So the area is 200 centimeter square. That's question A. Question B. What's question B? It's given that the equation of the curve, so we have the equation of the curve, blah blah blah. We have to write down an integral to find the exact cross-sectional area. So for question B, I'll write it here. Yeah, I'll write it down here. Down here should be nice. Question B. So the area is equals with integral. Now, the x is from 0 up until 40, so integral from 0 up until 40, the equation is 0.04 x to the power of 2 minus 0.001 x to the power of 3 dx. Actually, you can just write the integral of 0 to 40 y dx, but we have to input it to our calculator, so I would like to have a reference about what to input. So we have math equal to integral fn integral from 0 to 40. Oh, I think this is question II, yeah. 0 to 40. 0.04 x square minus 0.001 x to the power of 3 dx. we have 213.333333, so A is equals with 213.33333, or A is approximately 213, okay, centimeter square. This is question I. This is question I. Cool. Question C. Oh, sorry, it's correct to 2 decimal places. Lucky we see that. So 213.33 centimeter square. My bad. Sorry. C. Find the percentage error in the area using the trapezoidal rule. So we have to find the percentage error. Percentage error is the absolute value. Now, the important thing about percentage error is you have to put the exact value in the denominator, the bottom. So we have 213.33. This is the correct value, the exact value. And then at the top, it's up to you because it's what is it called? Because this is absolute value, it will always end up with positive, but I would like to put the bigger one in front. So in case I forget the absolute value symbol, it will still positive. So we have 213.33 minus our approximate was 200 times 100%. So percentage error is equals with, let's input it to our calculator. Because I know my calculation will be positive, so I don't bother to put what is that called? Absolute value symbol. Man, that's so hard to remember. 213.33 times 100. You do not put percent here, yeah? Just times 100. Enter. We have 6.2485. We have 6.2485 blah 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 percent. If you make it 3 significant figures, will be percentage error is approximately 6.25%. And then that's it for this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.